My name is Lauren, and I grew up in Oklahoma City. I was 26 when I started smoking tobacco. I was hanging out with friends, hanging out with a lot of musicians and people who use tobacco as well. And I started smoking, thinking that I would do like my mom and just quit smoking when I had children. And then turns out I never had any children. Out of my family, my family says they never thought I would have been the one who would have picked up tobacco, but it ended up being me. I moved out to Arizona when I was personal training in Arizona. One of my clients sung country music and ran a country music bar. Well, anyway, so hanging out in that environment, I ended up, they're always like, Lauren's the goody two-shoes. She's, always doing all the healthy stuff, blah, blah, blah. She doesn't drink, she doesn't smoke. What does she do? You know what I mean? And then, yeah, so I jumped on. Otherwise, I was leading a healthy life. I was eating healthy, I was still exercising, but I smoked. I had that cigarette in my hand. That was my addiction. I started to realize how addicted I was when I went to enter back into the health field again and had a harder time quitting than I thought I would. And then I beat myself up a lot for, why did you ever start smoking in the first place? You knew better, you knew better. So as well as that, along with mental health, as far as like my self-talk and not being caught in that cycle of, okay, well, I failed smoking again. And, I had to learn to love myself in order to quit. The people at the Helpline were awesome every time I called. I knew I was calling for nicotine replacement therapy. I knew I was gonna use the lozenge. I tried the gums and I tried the patches. I found the lozenges I liked the best. They didn't judge me for however many times I had to keep calling back for more lozenges. I had one quit coach that was really impactful, that shared her story about when she was trying to quit and hiding it. She was non-judgmental, she was really sweet, she was honest, she was open, and she was sincere. It was a great impact. It's a good little boost along the way. I would not have been able to afford nicotine replacement therapy without the Helpline. It was crucial and vital to me quitting tobacco.